Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of visiting the channel, please, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In our today's video, we shall be talking about the power of the mind. What do you see? How do you see things? Do you see things with your eyes or you see things with your mind? Remember, the mind sees 100 times clearer than our physical eyes. Our eyes, we use our eyes to see what is within the physical environment and what is near. Our eyes can only see the potholes and the staircase before us. And it cannot see into the future. But with the eyes of our mind, we can see 20 years, 50 years from now. When you desire something, you desire it with your heart. And then you open the eyes of your heart to see that thing. See yourself having it. See yourself getting there. You will arrive there. But in a situation whereby you don't think, you don't see things with your eyes. With your mind. You see things with your physical eyes and you allow the physical environment to control your destiny. That is what you will get. It is how far you see it. That is where it will take you to. The eyes of our heart, of our mind, is very powerful. Whatever we desire in our heart and we see in our heart, that is where life will take us to, whether we like it or not. It is a fact. And that is why our mind, as you see, is a spirit. Our mind is a spirit. It works in tune with what we desire and grant you what you want. When you see life very little, when you desire a future very little, very small, that is the future you will get. That is what you will get. But when you dream big, when you see big, you focus big, you visualize big, you will get there. You will achieve it. It is not magic. This is reality. Remember, the spiritual controls the physical. Before you can arrive at anything, you will have to first of all get it from the spirit man. Things don't work out for those that think impossible. Those that think about impossibility all the time, they get nothing out of life. They move in circles. Do you know the most successful people in life are those people that while others are thinking, while others are contemplating, they are already doing it. Yes. They're already doing it. When you meet roadblocks, you meet hiccups, you meet pothole, you meet obstacles, you jump it. You keep scaling through. When you meet the river, you construct bridge and cross it. But when you have not even started in life, Your mind is condemning you. I am not qualified. Even if I apply to that place, they may not even take me. I don't have anybody. I don't know anybody. And then you will now condemn yourself to the prison of impossibility. At the end of the day, you remain an average life. You remain where you are. Make a move. Take a stand. Believe in your heart. Don't allow your physical environment, your family background, your financial status to determine how you think and how you desire for a certain lifestyle that you want. All things are possible to them that believe. When you believe, you will get it. But when you don't believe, you will never get it. No matter how you pray, even if you go and be praying, speak in tongues from your throat to your mouth, but if you don't believe from your heart and you don't see it, you can never get it. So, that is why when you come to God in the place of prayer, you must believe. You must have faith. Your faith is in consonance with your heart. Your faith is in consonance, is in unison with your heart. If you don't believe it, you will never get it. And that is why you see some people, prayer works for them. Some people, it doesn't work for them. It depends on the level of their faith. Don't ever see yourself small. Don't ever see yourself as a nobody. Because you have somebody and his name is God. Apply that job that you are desiring. Apply for it, even if it means working for free for some months. They will permanent you. Move. Start that business. How much do you have in your hand? How much money do you have in your hand? Start that business. If you cannot start that business, go and learn it. Do something. Start moving. Don't stay in one place. Don't condemn yourself. And again, if you are a young person, you're coming up, you're growing up, whatever you will become in life is determined by the way you think now. The way you think now will determine who you become in future. You can never grow or become greater than the vision you have in your heart concerning yourself, concerning your life. Do you see yourself from your country going to another country? Do you see yourself going to university or college? Do you see yourself becoming an MD of a certain company? Do you see yourself becoming a manager of a certain place? Or do you see yourself as a CEO of your own business? Do you see yourself owning that big supermarket? You can never own all these things or become these things if you don't see yourself first in it. But one thing I want us to know is that everything is possible to them that believe. Without faith, it is impossible to please God. And He will never give you anything if you don't have faith. So, have faith. See big, think big, act big, ask big, and you will get there. So, at this junction, I want to remind us to go back and watch my previous videos. I made a video on how to blind monitoring spirit and other videos like that. Please go back and watch my videos, and very soon we'll be starting an outreach program where we'll reach out to blind people in our society, So if you want to be part of that project, is a prayer. We all have monitoring spirit. We all have issues. And we reach out to, we want to start reaching out to orphans in our community, widows, and the blind. You're looking for prosperity. You are looking for breakthrough. You are looking for deliverance from monitoring spirit and other things that are troubling your life. Send your seed. We will leave very soon. We will make a link available where you can send your seed to. We pray over it with your name. We pray over it with your name and take it to these people on your behalf. And God will rise for you. So please, if you have any question concerning this video, please don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section, and I will attend to them. And please, I would like us to be suggesting if there is any video you want me to make on any life matter, simple life, a simple solution to life, any issue at all you want me to make video on, please leave your suggestions in the comment section so that I will reach back to you and then I will work on it. So for now, bye and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.